Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we will discuss how to create a saved search in NetSuite. Navigate to Lists, Search, Saved Searches, New. You will be redirected to a list of saved searches that you can create. For this video demo, I will create an item saved search. Click the link for the saved search you want to create. Once the saved search loads, enter a search title. Under the Criteria tab, you can define the parameters for your saved search. For this demo, I will search for items with a name that contains LGC. In addition to that, I also want to filter the search to include only items with an on-hand quantity greater than 0. The Results tab is where you add the fields you want to display in your saved search. You can also remove any default fields based on your needs. For this demo, I only want to see name, internal ID, on-hand inventory, and inventory location. If you want to see the totals of the quantity, click Show Totals box. As expected, the search results only include items that have an on-hand quantity greater than 0 and contain LGC in their name. Another way to create saved search is by going to Reports and click New Search. I will be creating the item saved search just as before. Upon loading, you will see a default criteria field that you can use for the saved search. You can set parameters here or simply click Create Saved Search to add more criteria and result fields. And that's how you create saved search in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.